Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer WhatsApp from iPhone. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your iPhone. The interface will be similar to this. What you could do is tap on the three dot icon, select settings. Now before transferring, make sure that you have taken a backup so that all your chat, media, and everything is saved up. So select chats, then here you will see chat backup. Open chat backup. As I do that, it will also show you the Gmail address where your chats have been backing up. Go ahead and select backup now. And once everything has been backed up, you will also get a notification or maybe a pop-up on this screen. Now, as I do that, you may go ahead and simply launch your new phone. For that, you're going to have to long tap onto your WhatsApp and uninstall it from here. Once you have backed up and once you have uninstalled WhatsApp from your iPhone, open your new device. That could be any device that you would prefer. Then in your new device, you're going to have to launch your Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. And WhatsApp, once you have installed it, launch it. And before logging into your WhatsApp account, you will directly see the option of Restore. All you have to do is tap on Restore. You will know when you will see Restore. All you have to do is tap on Restore, and then it will take a moment depending upon the data. And all you have to do is enter your phone number and all your chats will be restored. That is how it's done. Thank you for watching.